Good morning, grade one students, and how you guys doing? I hope and trust that everyone has already had their breakfast and you are ready for today's math lesson. Today is Wednesday, the 26th of May in the year 2021, and this is grade one maths. The number of the week is, what is this number right here? It's shaped like an oval. What is this number? It is zero. So this is the figure zero, or you can have numeral zero or the digit zero. So this is zero. And how do we spell zero? Let's see. It is Z-E-R-O, zero. Or you can say Z-E-R-O, zero. So the number of the week is zero. Let's spell it one more time. Z-E-R-O, zero. All right. And how do we write the number zero?
How do we write the number 0? Around and around and around we go.
That's the way to make zero.
That's the way to make 0. Let's try it again. Around and around and around we
Now
go.
it's your turn.
That's the way to make 0. Let's see if you can say it this time.
Nice job.
Nice
So that's the
job.
way we write the number zero. All right, and today for maths we are going to be doing some. Can you guess what does the word say? Let me sing a little song for you so you can know what we're going to do today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I got a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger. So which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right. We are going to be doing some counting for maths today. Yes, so let's go ahead and count. And what is this first number? Hold up the finger to show me. This is 1. Yes, hold up one finger. This is the number 1. And how do we write the number 1? Let's see.
How do we write the number 1? A straight line down.
Then we're done.
And then we're
That's
done.
The way to make
That's the way
one.
to make a 1. Let's try it again. Straight line down. And then we're done.
Your turn.
That's
now.
The way to make a 1.
Straight line down.
Let's see if you can say it this time.
Then we're done. That's the way to make a 1. Great job.
Nice job.
So this is the number 1. But how do we spell it? So that is the figure 1. That's how we write digit 1. But how do we spell 1? Do you know? Okay. All right. Let's do it together. O-N-E. That spells 1. Right. O-N-E, 1. And here I have 1. What is this? Okay, so in your books now, you are going to write the number 1. You're going to write the figure 1 for me. You're going to spell it out. And then you're going to write the name of this animal in this picture, okay? Remember, we did it for phonics, so you're supposed to be able to spell it on your own. So you're going to write in your book 1. What is this? Cat. So you're going to write 1, 1, cat. Okay, go ahead and do that. Alright, so you can pause the video. I'm going to move on to the next number. What is this number? Good job. Hold up 2 fingers. Right, so this is the number 2. Do you know how to write the number 2? Let's see.
How do we write the number 2? Make a candy cane and give it a shoe. That's the way to make a 2. Let's try it again. Make a candy cane and give it a shoe. That's the way to make a 2. Let's see if you can say it this time.
All right, make the candy cane. Okay, if it's a shoe. That's the way to make it 2.
Nice job.
Nice. So you're going to have to write number 2 in your book, okay? So here we have the number 2. That's the digit 2 or the numeral 2. Now how do we spell it? How do we write it in words? Can you spell it for me? Okay, let's see. T W O 2. Right, TWO2. You're going to write the figure 2 in your book and you're going to spell it. And now, what is this? Is this showing you 2? How many is this? 1. Okay, so this is not 2. So let's see. Let's do one more and see like if we got to 2. Is this 2 now? Right, so that means 1 and 1 gives us 2. So here I have 2 hats, right? So in your books, you're going to write the word hats next to the 2. So you're going to have the figure 2, the word 2, and you're going to write the word hats, all right? Next number, what's this number? Exactly, hold up 3 fingers. This is the number 3. Do you know how to write the number 3? Okay, let's see how to write the number 3.
How do we write the number 3?
Around the tree. That's the way to make a tree.
Around the tree.
Around the tree.
Around the tree. That's the way to make a 3. Let's try it again. Around the tree. Around the tree. That's the way to make a 3.
Your turn.
Let's see if you can say it this time.
Did you get it? Great job.
Nice job.
So yes, we looked at the number 3, the figure 3 here, how to write it. And now we're going to spell it. Do you know how to spell tree? Let's go. T-H-R-E-E, tree. That's how we spell the number 3. That's how we write it in words. Tree. Let's see. Is this tree rats? Is it? 1, 2, 3. So yes, we have tree rats. So again, in your book, you would write a figure 3, you would spell it, and you would write the word rats now next to it. So you have in your book tree rats. Okay. Next number 4. Yes, this is number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fingers up, everybody. Great job. How do we write the number 4? Let's see.
How do we write the number 4?
Go down.
Go down.
Across.
Across.
And down some more.
And down some more.
That's the way to make
a 4.
Again, so you're going to go down.
Let's try it again. Go down.
Across.
Across.
And down some more.
And down some more.
That's the way to
make a 4.
Your turn.
Let's see if you can say it this time.
Nice job. So remember to go down,
nice job.
Across, and down some more. That's the way to make your 4. So yes, we have the number 4. We wrote the figure 4 already. And now it's time to spell it. How do you spell 4? Okay, it starts with a, so that's the letter F. So we have F-O-U-R, 4. F-O-U-R, 4. Let's see, what do we have here? What is this? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, what is this? 4 mats. So in your book, you're going to write the figure 4. You're going to spell it, and then you're going to write the word mats. Okay, so we have 4 mats in front of the door. And finally, we have the number 5. So all our fingers are free now. They're free wiggly fingers. So we have 5. Do you know how to write the number 5? Okay, let's practice.
How do we write the number 5? Go down. around,
and a flag up
and a
high.
flag up high.
That's the way to make
That's
a
the
5.
way to make a 5.
So you're going to go
Let's try that again. Go down, around,
and a flag up high.
and a flag up high.
Nice.
That's the way to make a 5. Let's see if you can say it this time.
Right. Great job. All right. So now let's see, what do we have here? So this is the figure 5. And then let's try to spell it together. All right, let's go. F-I-V-E 5. F-I-V-E 5. And what do we have here in the photo? We have 5 what? Bats. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. We have 3 of them flying. 4, 5. We have 2 of them hanging here. So 3 and 2 gives us 5. Right. So there are 5 bats. These 2 seem to be sleeping. All right. So this is number 5. So in your books, you're going to write the figure 5. You're going to spell it, okay? And then you're going to write the word bats. So in your books, you should have 5 bats written. Okay? Now we're going to do a little activity called how many. How many? Okay, let's try together. So we're looking at the photo, and how many do you see there? You only see 1, right? So again, you're going to do this for me inside of your books. Okay, so you would write the number and you will write the figure like this, and then you will write it in words when you look at the picture. Okay, so just below you writing the number 5, you skip a line and you're going to write 1 and 1. Okay, now it's your turn. So you're just going to look at the photo. The word is not going to be there for you. So how many do you see here? How many? Okay, so you're going to write that number inside of your books. All right, next one. How many do you see here? They seem to be falling off. How many? Okay, so you're going to write that number in your books again. So you're going to write that number for me. Write the figure and write it in words. Next one. How many do you see? So you're going to write that number in your book. So you write it in figure and you write it in words. All right. And finally, how many do you see? Nice, great job. So write that number in figure and in words, okay? And that would be the end of today's lesson. So bye again, and I hope to see you guys another day. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Bye.